Today we will be showing you how to replace a tape cartridge magazine in an HPE MSL 1/8 G2 and 2024 tape library. This replacement will not require downtime. It is important to note that the replacement procedure for both magazines is the same. We will now show you the MSL 1/8 G2 and 2024 tape libraries and the corresponding magazine rocket platform part numbers. This is an MSL 1/8 G2 and the corresponding magazine part numbers. This is an MSL 2024 and the corresponding magazine part numbers. There are a few reasons that you may decide you need a replacement magazine. The first is if you start having robotics errors for a particular slot or slots and you find that tapes do not go in and out of those slots easily. The second is if you have issues unlocking the I/O station using the front panel command. The third is if the robot is unable to calibrate to the magazine because one or more of the plastic magazine targets are broken or missing. Once you have the replacement magazine in hand, the first thing you will need to do is eject the faulty magazine from the library. The first way you will try and do this is by going to the front panel and hit the right arrow button to start going through the top level menu options. Once you get to the menu called Operations, hit the Enter button. The first two options will be Unlock Left Magazine and Unlock Right Magazine. You will need to use the left or right arrows to select the option that corresponds to the faulty magazine and then hit Enter. This will try to unlock the magazine on that side. If the robot is unable to unlock the faulty magazine, you will need to use the emergency release for it. This will require access to both the front and rear of the library simultaneously. It is best to have a second person help you with this procedure rather than trying to do it yourself. To use the emergency release, first locate the small hole at the bottom corner of the bottommost tape drive of the library. You will need to find the hole for the side that is the magazine you want to release. For the next part, we recommend a small paper clip that is unbent to get in the hole. Push the paper clip in straight and you will feel some resistance as it engages the release lever. Keep pushing until the paper clip stops and will not go any further. While still holding the paper clip all the way in, have the person at the front of the machine pull the faulty magazine straight back and out of the library. Once the magazine is pulled out, you can release the paper clip. At this point, you will need to transfer all tapes from the faulty magazine to the replacement and then insert the replacement magazine fully into the library. The library will now proceed to inventory the magazine and will ensure that it can calibrate to all points. During this process, it will say Scanning on the front panel. Once the library is finished scanning the magazine, it will display the library name and drive status on the front panel. Your library should now operate as normal. If you have any issues following the magazine replacement, please open a ticket through the Rocket Plus customer portal. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.